families, welcome back to the Crafty Bee channel. Today we'll be making a waterfall jacket, and it's so simple and easy to make in 10 minutes. So get your pieces of fabric together. Thank you all my subscribers and all my viewers for being part of this great family. If you are viewing us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be the first to be updated anytime I upload a new video. So my old subscribers, thank you all very much for coming back to watch my videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get on with the video. So on the table here, I'm using 2 yards of fabric, and I folded it into 4. 2 unfold, 2 unfold, making 4. So to start with, so by folding it into 4, you fold it like when you want to sew a 360-degree flare. That's the way you fold it. So you have to determine how long you want your waterfall jacket to be. I'll be marking 28 inches for the length. So I'm taking on the folded part here, I'll be marking 28 inches, and I'm going to continue marking 28 inches all the way around. So after marking the 28 inches all around, you are going to connect the lines. Now I'll get my scissors and cut the circle round. After cutting it, you are going to unfold the fabric like so. This is how it looks after unfolding it. When you open it, it's like a full circle, but when you fold it, it's like a half circle. Next, you have to determine how wide you want the collar to fall. So in this case, I'm taking 15 inches for the fall. You can choose to take 11, 12, 13, 14, depending on how you want the collar to fall. So I'm marking 15 inches. So you see the 15 inches, I took it from the top of the fold, 15 inches. Then from this 50 inches point, you mark half of your shoulder measurement. Half of the shoulder measurement I'm using is 7. The shoulder is 14, so half of the 14 inches is 7 inches. So I mark 7 inches here. So from this shoulder length, I'll come down 7 inches for the armhole depth. The armhole depth I'm using is 8 inches, but if you use 8 inches after sewing it, it will become too big. So all the time, reduce the 1 inch from your armhole depth. And I'm going to connect it with a straight line. We are going to be finding the midpoint of this 7 inches. So we have 7 inches, the midpoint will be 3.5. So you mark 3.5 here. So on this line, you are going to go 1 inch on both sides. And you are going to give it an oval shape. So let me go over the measurements again. For the top of your jacket, you are going to come down by 15 inches. That's for the fall. But if you want less, you can come down by 12 inches, 11 inches, determine on how big or how wide you want the collar to be. And from this 15 inches, you are going to find half of your shoulder measurement. So half of the shoulder measurement I'm using is 7 inches. And from this 7 inches point, you have to come down 7 inches for the armhole depth. And this armhole depth, you are going to find the midpoint of this line. Then you take 1 inch on both sides. You can choose to take 2 inches, 3 inches on both sides, depending on how big you want the armhole to be. So this is what I'm taking. So next you are going to pinch the middle like so. You just tip it. You tip the middle like this to enable you to cut around the oval shape. So this is it, guys. Our waterfall jacket is ready. So if you like, you can choose to leave it like this. I'm going to use this piece as the bias tape to lock the edges of the armhole. And after, I'm taking it to my machine to hem all the edges. Then our waterfall jacket is ready. So I folded the piece into 2 and put under to cut both the armholes. I'm going to tip here like this to enable me get space to cut the facing. So this is it. I'm just going to determine how wide I want it. So I cut the 2 pieces to lock the armhole. So I'm going to finish locking the armhole and finishing the hemmings and come and show you guys the finishing look. So guys, this is the finishing look. This is the armhole. This is the back. I went ahead and hem all the edges round. So this is the finishing look. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, and also don't forget to turn your notification bell to be updated anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.